Welcome to the video of moments of failure and funny. The car avoids one collision but gets involved in another. Oh no, a truck is losing momentum. It plunges very dangerously. Bad working day. The car is not intact, can still move. It's funny. That car needs to be towed to the garage for repair. Sparks are generated by the vehicle's crane touching a power line on the road. That car overtakes.
Wait.
How does water get in there? Crash on the road due to the car in front suddenly changed the direction. What are these two funny people playing? The car and the one meets must run away. One person lost their balance and let's do it again. The driver of that bus was terrible. Crazy car. Visibility is impaired, causing a collision to occur. Naughty girl with masks. The incident caused the truck to sink into the water. The man is trying to push the water out. Look, the car is stuck at the bend. Another crash at the bend. Wow, the knife is perfectly reconnected. Uncertainty is about to happen to that car. The car was rammed at the rear. This girl is driving recklessly. This job looks very interesting. This car may have just been involved in a collision. Watching it move is so funny. Oh no, collision happened. The car was moving too fast at the bend and it had a big problem. Is this tractor enough to pull a large truck out of the mud? Oh no! Too bad. The accident caused that car to overturn. The man is enjoying his invention. The driver of the car is really bad. The girl driving the suitcase is so cool. The truck is too heavy to cross that bridge.
Oh my God!
Two cars are fighting for a place to repair. That driver should stop and call for help. Wow, modern technologies of the future. The truck carrying timber is struggling to move through the bad road. Here, the two drivers don't understand each other. Wow, the strong collision caused the car to smoke. That's dangerous, bro. What is this animal doing? The car has its wheels blown. That car wants to be buried. Small car pulls big car. Oh my God, a big truck crashed down the road. What is this car doing? The mouse ran to that friend. The truck falls down. It's broken very badly. A car fire incident occurred. Two people were trying to put out the fire. Oh no, more serious incident there. Children who have a childhood can follow their parents to work. Throw the machine in the car. The driver was trying to get the car on the road. Very difficult to get out there. Wow, he succeeded!